What if your smartphone could last 3 days on a single charge and be repaired at home with ease? Meet the Nokia G42 5G, a device that combines durability, longevity, and user-friendly design. Welcome to Tech Maniac. Today, we explore the Nokia G42 5G, a smartphone that redefines reliability and empowers users with its DIY repairability. The G42 5G features a 6.56-inch HD plus IPS LCD display with a 90 Hz refresh rate, delivering smooth visuals and responsive touch. Protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3 and rated IP52 for water and dust resistance, it's built to withstand everyday challenges. Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 480 Plus chipset and available with up to 8 GB of RAM, the G42 5G ensures seamless multitasking and efficient performance. With up to 256 GB of internal storage, expandable via microSD, you'll have ample space for all your needs. Capture life's moments with the 50-megapixel main camera, complemented by 2-megapixel macro and depth sensors for versatile photography. The 8-megapixel front camera ensures clear selfies and video calls. Equipped with a 5,000 mAh battery, the G42 5G offers up to 3 days of usage on a single charge. It supports 20-watt fast charging, keeping you connected longer. Additionally, its design allows for easy self-repairs, with HMD partnering with iFixit to provide replacement parts and tools. The Nokia G42 5G stands as a testament to practical innovation, combining durability, performance, and user empowerment. If you're intrigued by this blend of technology and functionality, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Maniac for more insightful tech explorations.